Good morning, it's me, time for another vlog. Oh, hang on, let's keep my phone still. So, it's 6:30, Sunday morning, and I'm down at Cold House Fort because I want to try and film a pair of juvenile kestrels, hopefully still there. They haven't quite fledged yet, so they were there yesterday. A friend of mine, Derek, managed to get a few shots of 2 juveniles. So yeah, I thought I'd get down here early, see if they're still about. I've got my mat with me because I want to go get on the ground, lay on the floor. Not too close to the nest, but close enough to get some nice shots and some nice video for you to look at. So yeah, wish me luck. The light's brilliant at the moment, that's why I come down here this early. Make the most of the light, as you can see. So yeah, see you in a minute. Bye. Yes, 2 juvenile kestrels. One just came out. I managed to get some footage and a couple of stills as well. So I haven't seen any adult birds yet, but they're probably out hunting. So yeah, I got down here early because there's no one down here at all. So I've seen one person jogging. I thought I'd get down here early as possible because it can get busy over the fort when it's nice weather. There's a bit of a breeze, but it's quite nice. So yeah. Right, I've just noticed the female bird is out. She's just up there. We waiting for a young to leave the nest. So yeah, it's a little bit dark in there, but just had one come out already. So 3 juvenile kestrels. There's one outside the nest on the wall, and there's still 2. Oh, it's a cuckoo. Yeah, there's one on the wall down below, which has just been fed by Mum. And there's 2 more in the nest still. So I'm not going to show you the exact location because I don't want you to know, because they're protected species. There's only a handful of people that actually know the site, but you can probably guess roughly where it is, but I'm not going to give you specifics because I don't want loads of people come down there just photograph them. Even though it's a public place, public park, that's why I come down here early. So yeah, I'm going to stick around for a bit longer yet. See you soon. Damn it, the Sigma 150-600 gave up. It's old anyway, so I like to go back and get my 400. It's done a couple of test shots and it's alright. So there's actually 4 juvenile kestrels, 2 adults. No, sorry, 3 juvenile kestrels, and the 2 adults are still around as well, feeding the young. So I managed to get some lovely footage a little while ago, some photos to show you. I'll put those up in the vlog. So yeah, going to give it a bit longer. It's 8 o'clock. I got here at 6:30, but I had to go just about 10 minutes ago to go and get my other lens. So yeah, all good. Right, that's enough video and stills of the kestrel. I'm going to go for a wander now. See what else we can see. Hey, it's lovely light this morning. I think it's about 8:15 now. So I've already been over here 2 hours. Yeah. Let's go and see what else we can find. See you in a bit. That's if I can pause my phone. What's going on? So, best thing with this 400, it's nice and light. And you have to get a little bit closer to your subject, but not much closer. So I can crop in as well when I'm doing my editing. Chief chaffs, I did hear a cuckoo this morning actually, while I was up when I first come over here. Bunny rabbit. Loads of chaffinches around. So yeah, it's going to be warm today again, I think. A little bit of cloud cover, but still good light. So I'll probably have a slow walk up the seawall today. See what we can see. Just got some lovely shots of a great woodpecker. I was following it along the grass line there. It was feeding on, looking for ants' nests. And it come up and it landed on a post just down there. I'll put those up for you to look at. I've got some lovely shots. Bird life is amazing at Coldhouse Fort this time of year. I've seen linnets already, loads of white throats. There's probably a few juveniles about now. That green woodpecker. There's, I can hear a reed wobbler. I can hear a sedge wobbler. Scratchy sound of a white throat. Strip of their size are alive with bird life. I don't know why the farmers cut their field early. I suppose he needs some money. Like there wasn't any nesting birds in there. Nice skylark. Never mind. Just coming up on the campsite now. I've seen loads of lilies along the sea wall, trying to get some shots, but they're not staying still long enough. I'm too slow. So I may go walk up to the scrape. I think high tide's about 12 o'clock today, past 12ish I think. So yeah, it's a lovely morning. Full of bird song. There's another white throat. Oh, there's a linnet. Oh, no, there's a linnet. Yeah, really good numbers of linnets today. Never used to see linnets here a few years ago, about 10 years ago. You'd be lucky if you see one or two. Just shows you the kind of habitat we've got here, really. It's a vital habitat for all kinds of bird life and mammals. Reed wobbler. My phone's playing up, I think. Yeah, the old campsite's busy. It's good for the local shops and stuff. You're doing well, Vince. Yeah, there's a few on there. Hats off to you, mate, if you're watching this. Or vlog anyway. That's almost up to full capacity, I think. So yeah, there is, if you go on Facebook and look up Thames View Camping, it's an eco campsite, caravans, tents, and what they call caravanettes. Cool, that's a nice one. You've got like a Range Rover over there with it's got like a tent on top of it on the roof. That looks nice. But it costs a few bob as well. Yeah, camper vans, that's it. Yeah, they're called camper vans, that's it, I forgot what they were called. bird friend of mine has just reported a turtle dove, footpath 147, near my house. And I'm up this end of the cold house full. Damn it, what do I do? Go have a quick look down here first, and then I might head back, walk over there so I can get his turtle dove. There hasn't been a turtle dove in this area for about 10 years. I managed to record one about 10 years ago when I was doing the water voles down there. Damn it! Right, so the plan is I'm heading back to Cold House Fort now. Then back home, I'm going to try and get eyes on the turtle dove. It's got to be done in it. So that is so rare for this area. I think it's Rab Ness you have to go to for turtle doves. It's about the closest place to where I live. So I did hear one, I record one actually. I think it's about 9-10 years ago when I was filming the water voles. I still do now from time to time. But it's the same sort of area, which is good. So it's been reported anyway. They make like a purring sound. They're in the dove family. They've got like a pattern on their neck, on their flanks, on the neck. So yeah, that's the plan. Get back to my car, park up. It's virtually 5-minute walk from where I live. So yeah, that's a good opportunity to try and photograph a turtle dove, or at least try and get a recording of one on my phone. So yeah, I'm just heading back now. See you in a bit. Right, let's go and see if I can find a turtle dove. So I've just got back home, popped indoors, got a couple of bits, changed my bag, got my camera strap, so I'm all ready to go. Guy's got a drop pin to the location, so when I get near it, I'll have a look on the maps and have a look, see if we can find this turtle dove. So they make like a purring sound, turtle doves, and they're so, like I said before, they're so rare in this area. I've got to go and find it, see if I can get eyes on it at least, or get a recording of it on my phone. So yeah, wish me luck. See you soon. Right, so this is public footpath 147. I've said loads of times before, so this runs from Guardians Park in East Tilbury, the railway station. You follow the track along opposite the station, on the back of the houses. Eventually you'll come to this public footpath. This takes you back up to the seawall where I was a little while ago actually. It's part of the coastal Thames walk as well. You've got a lake over there which is called the Sandpit Lake. It's got a few hidden gems there. And this is where I do some like water vole photography and filming as well, along here. So yeah, it's all my local patch. We'll have a little look in there later. There was kids building a camp in there at one point. It's all been taken down now. Now that can be good for egrets in there. And other species, but I won't mention. They're protected. Anyway, yeah. So this turtle dove was reported just up here by the new sluice gate. So we're going to head up there. Hopefully it's still around. And we'll also see if we can get eyes on some water vole as well. You never know. There's the lovely old oak trees. As I've probably mentioned a few times before. Yeah, I love these old oak trees. We've got 3 here. There's one there split in half from the bottom. And this old grand oak here. Yeah, look at the old leaves, the old oak leaves on that. Lovely old trees. Right, coming up to the sluice gate in a second. So fingers crossed. Right, I'm not far from the location now. Just a matter of finding somewhere to plot up and just listen for a bit. Let's open up a bit. Just here, you got a good chance of seeing waterfalls. This opens right up actually. Water's quite clear. Got the turtle dove. It's in this area somewhere. I don't know if my phone's going to pick it up. Somewhere over that location. So I got a couple of recordings of the turtle dove. It's gone quiet now. So I just had to walk up there, but then I come back. I didn't want to disturb it too much. I don't know if it's moved away somewhere, or moved somewhere in a different location. But it has gone quiet. But I will put the recording up on this vlog for you to listen to. I've just heard the turtle dove again. It's up in this area somewhere. I've got some apples in my bag. I'm going to put some apples out, see if I can get a waterfall. Alright, so this is my local lake. It's called the Sandpit Lake. Full of bird life this time of year. Just had a pair of Egyptian geese just over there. There's a pair of great crested grebe over there. I think they might have chicks. I'll go around the other, hang on. Yeah, they've got young. Just over there, quite a way off, but yeah, I think, yeah, they're good. Yeah, they are great crested grebe, and they've definitely got youngsters. So yeah, there's that properly chaser there. I don't know if my phone's going to pick it up. Down there somewhere. I'll get some more shots of it anyway. I'll put those up for you to see later in a gallery, probably at the end of this vlog. Yeah, so there's a pair of great crested grebe, but there's 4 youngsters out there, which is nice to see. And there's a missile thrush singing away in the background as well. And a loud helicopter going over. Yeah, brilliant. Now listen to this song thrush. Green woodpecker, song thrush. got a cuckoo calling in the back quite a way off, but I can hear it. It's up in that tree somewhere. There he goes. Beautiful song, isn't it? Gonna have a walk up to the lakes now, might as well. A bit more cloud cover. It's only about 12 o'clock, so actually there's a squirrel right in front of me on the ground. Right, come over to the lakes. So I stayed away from here for a while because of all the activity that's been going on. That gate's been smashed open. Yeah, a lot of illegal fishing going on. Fires set. It's disheartening. That's why I stopped coming over here for a while. But I can hear kids over there now, but they might not be doing anything wrong, but you never know. But I'm not going to get involved. Keep my mouth shut. When it's local patch, it's really hard not to open your mouth and say something. But yeah, I'm going to try and keep my mouth shut this time. Sometimes you get you in trouble, can't it? I've just been past the badger set and someone's chucked a table on one of the entrances, a wooden table. Why would you want to do that? So I'm going to have to try and get down there and pull that out. But that has to be a trouser job because it's full of stinging nettles down there. But never mind. Fucking kids, whoever it was. Sick of it really, but you know, people like us love nature, and you get kids like that, or whoever done it. Why's that gone dark? That's better. Taking exposure. Yeah, and you get other people just ruining it all the time. So stick to their back teeth for it. That's one of the reasons why I stopped coming over here for a while. But yeah, let's go and see what we can see over the lakes. I'm just walking through the alder trees. These lovely alder trees in full bloom. Yeah, it's still nice light. When the sun comes out, it's really warm. It's sort of humid. Yeah, this was the main reason I stopped coming over here for a while. Look. I mean, that middle bit was set on fire. Look, vandalism. It just like puts a disheartener on everything over here, to be honest. I mean, people have been in there, kids have been in there, look. So, what the Wildlife Trust supposed to do? It's overlooking this lovely marsh now, look, as well. So, yeah, I mean, I used to come over here and just sit in there, spend a couple of hours. But, not anymore. That's not going to be out for a while. It does say there's a trail cam in there somewhere. But, whether there is or not, I don't know. I couldn't see one. Oh yeah, there's a bench over here. Let's go and sit down for a bit, have a drink. I mean, all this area, this just seems a waste of money now, look, to be honest. But I've created a habitat. But let's go and sit down on this bench for half hour. See what comes along. So just over there is a turn island, but there's no turns on it, so I can't see any. And somewhere down there on the bank is a San Martin bank they put in as well. Yeah, there's nothing on the turn island, it's a shame. Yeah, so this used to be landfill, believe it or not. So you've got the something to do with the methane gases. that's still produced under the ground. It's all been capped off. But you've got this methane. I don't know what they call it. Hang on, I'll show you in a second. So this is an unofficial path. So yeah, that's the methane plant just there. Oh, there's a buzzard. Yeah, I think it's manned 24 hours a day. Yeah, that's the methane plant now. So I do believe this path was put in by the Wildlife Trust, but it was never officially opened. It takes you in the back of the lakes, but I didn't tell you that. Yeah, there's the methane plant now. So I'm not sure, but I think the Wildlife Trust are going to get all this area in a few years' time, I believe. Not sure. If they do, it's going to be a massive site. Obviously, they manage the lakes as well, when they get a chance anyway. Yeah, it's going to be one of the biggest Essex Wildlife Trust reserves in the country. Well, in Essex, I would have thought. Once they get the other bits of land. So it used to be good for barn owls over here, and short-haired owls in the winter months. I haven't seen one over here for a few years now, 2 or 3 years. Seen barn owls over here. This is regular. But yeah, there's the methane plant again. It's a bit closer. There we go. And it can be good for hares over here as well. I've managed to get a few shots of hares. And the foxes as well. Actually, there was a documentary filmed over here when it was landfill. And there was a couple of family of foxes over here as well. Obviously, where all the rubbish is coming in, you get the seagulls and the foxes. Oh yeah, the foxes are filmed over here. Probably from that generation, to be honest. Passed down. Right, that's it, I'm going home. I've got since 4 o'clock and it's now at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. 12 hours. It was worth it though, this morning, especially the kestrels. So, this might be a bit of a long vlog, this one. I'll try and keep it about half hour or something like that. All depends. I'll do it for my pleasure. If you enjoy watching them, let me know. Hang on a second. Alright. That's right, it's black walking past. Yeah, I enjoy doing them. I hope some people enjoy watching them as well. I say, I do it for my own enjoyment. I love nature, I love wildlife photography. I love filming the wildlife to show you as well. Yeah, so there you go. Alright, stay safe, stay sane. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you do enjoy watching my nature vlogs. Or a comment would be nice as well. So I know some of you do, some of you like watching them. I know my mum does. Oh yeah, and share. If you want to share my nature vlogs, share them as well with your friends and family. Okay, thanks for watching. See ya, bye. Just one more thing. I'm going to put the turtle dove footage up. Well, I didn't get footage. I just got the turtle dove call. Like a, I can't do it. Yeah, so listen out for that. I've got a couple of recordings I'm going to put up in my vlog. So yeah, listen out for those. And I hope you enjoy the kestrel footage I'm going to put up as well. That's great.